Does YouTube TV include the tennis channel? Yes, YouTube TV offers the tennis channel as part of its service. However, it is not included in the base subscription. To access the tennis channel, you need to subscribe to the Sports Plus add-on, which costs an additional $10.99 per month. How to add the tennis channel on YouTube TV. Step number 1. Access your YouTube TV account. Log into your YouTube TV account on your device. Step number 2. Navigate to Settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step number 3. Manage Membership. In the Settings menu, click on Membership. Step number 4. Add Sports Plus add-on. Scroll through the list of available add-ons. Find Sports Plus and click the checkbox next to it. Confirm your selection to add the package to your subscription. Step number 5. Confirm and enjoy. Review the additional costs and confirm the changes. Return to the channel guide to access the tennis channel. Additional information. Content offered. The tennis channel provides comprehensive coverage of major tennis tournaments, including Grand Slams, ATP, and WTA events. Features in-depth analysis, commentary, and exclusive interviews. Availability. The tennis channel was reintroduced to YouTube TV in June 2023 after being removed in 2020. Ensure that the Sports Plus add-on is available in your region by checking your local channel lineup.